In this video, I'll explain how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history and what options are actually available, since Teams doesn't work the same way as regular messaging apps. First, it's important to understand one thing. Microsoft Teams does not have a single button that lets you completely clear or delete all chat history at once. However, there are a few effective ways to manage, remove, or hide chats depending on what you need. Let's start with deleting individual chat messages. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. Open the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. Hover over the message, click the three dots, and then select Delete. This removes the message from the chat. Keep in mind that you can only delete messages that you sent. If you want to clean up your chat list without deleting messages, you can hide chats. In the chat list, find the conversation you no longer want to see. Right-click it or click the three dots next to the chat, then choose Hide. This removes the chat from your main list, but the messages are still there and can reappear if someone sends a new message. If you're using Teams for work or school and need chat history removed for compliance or privacy reasons, only an IT administrator can manage retention policies. These policies automatically delete messages after a set period of time based on your organization's rules. So to summarize, you can delete individual messages, hide entire chats, clear the local cache, or rely on admin-managed retention settings. While you can't fully clear all chat history yourself, these options help you keep Microsoft Teams organized. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.